Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And it's holiday season now. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Yep, we are in prime time. And today you might want to get one of these for your house. It's going to come from Teckin. Not the video game, but Teckin 1080p HD Wi-Fi indoor cam. Definitely want to beef up security in these crazy times. This is a good one to get. 1080 full HD, app control, two-way audio, motion detection, night vision, cloud storage. We got the iOS or Android. We're going to be using Android and compatible with them. Google Assist and her. And let's take a look inside. So this is what you get when you order it. We got the manual, Teckin. Ooh, look at this thing. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. I'll figure out a spot and we'll test it out in this room though. This nice little pivot. Back, forth, side to side. Great for your kids' room, especially brand new babies that are born. USB right there. Speaker right there. Camera lens there. That's tiny. USB or micro. Yeah, this is a nice one. Really lightweight too. Teckin. You can. Okay, put that little guy there. Grab out Grab out the little goodies, and we're gonna grab my phone and have some fun. Test this thing out. So what do we got in the box? Put that away, fold that down, clean up the mess. We know the routine. I think I might have set my password for my iPhone though, so that might take a second. We got power, just like a cell phone. Come on. So easy plug and play, ready to go. Zap the app, and then at least your room or somewhere will be nice and secure. Like I said, perfect for kids' rooms, so you can keep an eye on them, especially the newborns. Pretty long cord, good size, USB. I think it's Type C. And that goes in the camera. This goes into here. And this goes in the back of this. And straighten out the cord. Oh boy, hold on. Got a little tangled. Takes two to tangle. Here we go. Okay, she's done. There's that. That's nice and more length. And that. Bada boom, bada bing. Should be an easy thing. I'll be right back. I gotta grab my phone. And we got here. Oh. Look at this thing. Just mount it more. You got a little sticky 3M. Okay, dokie. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. Once you get your iPhone, there it is. Teckin. Yep, I'm gonna have to sign in. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. So once you get it, hit the install. There's that good ding sound. And install Teckin. Enter your password. Here we go. There we go. It's rolling. So we got Teckin Cam 1080p HD Wi-Fi. Good to go. Ready to roll. Plug and play. Now I could at least plug her in. Let's start that up. Okay. Whoops. That was a big whoops. We got the red light on. It's still installing it, so it might take a minute or two. If it takes any longer than that, I will... Oh, there it goes. was about to say pause, but she's moving now. Maybe because I had to log in, or battery's dying. But we'll be alright. I could clean up while this installs. Get this rolling. We got a long day ahead of us, guys. So it'll be a long night here in YouTube land. So thank you guys for watching. Grab your popcorn. We got some videos to do today for this Monday. This is right there. Again, right there. Oh, there we go. And then, of course, you're going to ask, connect, allow, sign up. I don't think I have an email sign up. Okay. Signed up. Email code. There we go. Pull it up. They're going to send you a verification code. You're just going to enter it kind of like this. Alright, next. Create a password. Pretty simple stuff. Okay, here's what the home looks like. Pretty simple. You just want to add a device. They got other devices too. They got plugs, switches, power strips, lights, light strip, light modulator. We are going to look for a camera. Well, camera. Down here. Middle button you press, add a camera. And it's going to be a head shaking machine, or is it? It looks like a card. Okay. Red light is flashing. Settings. Using app. Okay, it's connecting to my Wi-Fi, so you're going to have to remember your Wi-Fi password. Okay, place a QR code in front. Whoa. There we go. I think it's going. So it says when it's turned steady white, that's when you're going to hit the next step. Yeah. We did it. And it's going to take... This part should go really fast. See? Boom. We're going to call it Garage. Bada boom. Garage. You can label it. Firmware update. That's always a good thing. Don't remind me again. Just do it. Confirm. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. This update to start. It's already at 3%. And it's moving pretty fast, so I don't want to show you. Got a lot of device IDs and my IP address, so I'm not going to show that part. But yeah, that was really easy to hook up. So this would be a nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody to your friend, a business owner, you know. But, you know, give somebody a few 5-second head start. Hopefully that doesn't come to it, but this will help you feel a little bit more secured in protection. Maybe at your shed or storage unit, you can always have one up in there. And maybe once a week come by and check it out and swap out the SD cards or even charge it. But I think they got pretty much plugs in them, so you can have a camera installed in there. But yeah, this is going fast now. It's 27% for the upgrade. So I'm gonna pause you guys. Alrighty guys, we are live. It is showing. Look at this quality. This is really nice. And I got boxes ready for tonight. So It's a really smooth app too. Let's see, there's an app, we got a photo, you can take a snap. Allow access. Oops. Open. Jeez. Here we go. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Hello, YouTubers. Okay, that works. Photographing. You can take a snapshot. Watch this. Boom. And like I said, once you had the SD card, it could save it to the SD. Oh, now it's gonna hear me talk. All right, and you can record. But this is really cool. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, it is really clear though. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Teckin Cam 1080p HD Wi-Fi. Good to go. Be safe. Have a good night.